Dear students, in previous video we have understood square number and their properties, right? And in this one we are going to start some example related to the square numbers. Now I have written some questions here and I'll try to make you understand with the same. Here we have first question. Give reason that the following are not perfect square. Here we have to give reason for these questions that are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, that these are not perfect square. As we have learned in previous video that if number is not a perfect square, then in such type of number at unit place 2, 3, 7 and 8 are comes, right? Like a number in which at unit place 2, 3, 7 and 8 comes at unit place, right? These are not perfect square. With the same next property we have learned in the previous video that if odd number of zeros are there, odd zeros means 10, 1000, here 3 zeros are there, here 1 is there, 50, 70, these are also not perfect square. So here reason is in this one unit place is 7. So if in a number unit place or first digit is 7, that is not a perfect square. Similarly in this one unit place is 3 and 3 is also not come in a perfect square number. So this is also not a perfect square. In next one 1008, here the same condition. Here 2, 3, 7, 8 never come in a perfect square number. So this is also not a perfect square. So how will you write a reason? You will write like this first question. I'm writing 1, 2 and 7, 7. So here how will you write? 7 never come in a perfect square number. So it is not a perfect square. Similarly for zeros, if odd number of 0 never come in a square number. Here next question is same, 2 never come. So this is also not a perfect square. Here odd number of zeros, see 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So this is also not a perfect square. See here also the same problem. Here 3 zeros are there and these are odd number. So this is also not a perfect square. In this one see again the same, 3 is given. It means 3 never come in a square number. So this is also not a perfect square. Now let's come to the second question. Second question is what will be the unit digit of square of the following? Unit digit of square. As we know, suppose for example I am taking here 1, 2, 3. This is a number 123. If I want to find the unit digit, see I will have to multiply by the same because we are finding the unit digit of the square number. So we will multiply by the same, right? But see when we will multiply this unit digit to each other, 3 3 are 9 and then cross will come, then whatever will come, this first digit will be 9 in a square. So by multiplying unit digit or by finding the square root of unit digit only, we can find the unit digit of a square number, right? Like see here in this first one, this is 433. What will be the unit digit of a square number? Just multiply this one 3. So 3 3 is 9. So the unit digit of the square will be 9. Same here, just multiply by 2. 2 2 is 4. So unit digit of a square number will be 4. Same here, this is 5. When we will multiply by same, 5 5 is 25 and in 25 5 is their unit digit. So 5 will be the unit digit. Similarly here, this is 7 and 7 7 is 49. This is 49. So the 9 will be the unit digit of this number. Here 1 1 1 1, unit digit is 1. So the unit digit of square also will be 1 because 1 1 is 1. Same here, 90253. Unit digit is 3 only. We will see only unit digit. No need to look all. So multiply by the same. 3 3s are 9. So 9 will be unit digit of a square number. Same here. 4 4s are 16. And in 16 we will take unit. Means 6 will be unit digit of the square. And the last one is 0. And when 0 multiply by 0, the 0 will come. So unit digit will be 0 only. Here this unit is 8. And 8 8s are 64. So 64 will come. It means unit digit is 4. Like this we have to solve. Now the next one is, which of the following would have digit 6 at unit place? As we have done the previous one, this one. Here what we were doing, we were just multiplying unit place of the number. Now here what will come? We will do the same. What we'll do? Here 29 square, we will multiply 29 multiply by 29. So 9 9s are 81. So your unit digit will be 1. And here what is asking? 6. In which of the following 6 will come? So here 1 will come. So this is not that number. 4 4s are 16. Yes, this is the number. Next, this is 106. 6 6s are 36. So 36 will come, and here unit digit will be 6. Yes, this is also that number in which unit place will be 6. This one here also 6 6s are 36. So this is also that number. Here 4 4s are 16. This is also that number. So like this we have to find unit digit of a square number by multiplying its unit digit by itself only. No need to multiply whole number. Now next question we are going to take, number 4. The square of which of the following number would be even number? As we have learned in previous video that square of even number will be even and square of odd number will be odd, right? For example, I'm writing here like this is a even number, so the square will be 2 2s are 4. This is also even. Odd number, the square of odd number will be 3 3s are 9. Odd number. Even will be even and odd will be odd. So by the same method you can do this. So this one, the square of this number will be even or odd? This will be odd. Why? Because this unit place is odd, or this whole number is odd number. And second one, this is odd number, so the square also will be odd. Here this is a odd number, so its square also will be odd. Here this is a even number, 6 is there, so its square also will be even number, right? Now next question is, I hope you are getting very well. If there is any problem you may ask via comment, or if there is you want any change, so please tell me in comment box so that I can change my method for easy understanding. Next one is, which of the following would end with digit 1? As we know, only two numbers are there in which 1 comes, right? And two numbers are, one is 1, square of 1 is 1 1s are 1, and square of 9 is 81. In this one also 1 is coming, right? It means the number in which at unit place 1 is there or 9 is there, they will have 1 at unit place. So here see one by one, let's check them all. 1 is coming or not? This one 3 3s are 9, 9 is coming. Here 1 1s are 1, yes, in this one 1 is coming. Here 7 7s are 49, 49 means 9 is coming. Here 8 8s are 64, 64 means 4 is coming. This is not that number, this is also not, this is also not. Here 9 9s are 81, 81 means 1 is coming. This is that number. Now the next thing is, without adding, find the sum of the given numbers. Without adding, we no need to add them. See how to find sum of such type of number. Here condition is there. First condition is number should start from 1 always, right? And it is from 1 only. If it is starting from 3, 5, 7, then it will not work. It should start first of all from 1. And second condition is all should be odd number. Like see here 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, all are odd number. Third condition is they should be consecutive. Consecutive means continue. First odd number is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, 11 and 13. If these three conditions are there, first is 1 should be there, second they should be odd, and third condition is they should be consecutive number. If these three conditions are there, then their sum will be equal to square of number of number. Sum of all is equal to square of number of numbers. Square of numbers means count the number of number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers are there here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 number are there. So here write 6 and find the square of 6. So in this one 9 also will come, na? Plus 9. Here 9 should come. This is not consecutive, na? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 numbers are there, right? Total 7 numbers are there, and in these, and their sum should be equal to number of square of number. Means we will find the square of this, and square of 7 is 7 square. Means 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. So their sum should be equal to 49. Let's check this one, and next one we will do. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 11, 36. 36 plus 13 is equal to 49. So this is 49. So this is very easy to find. Like this one. Now we are going to solve this. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total number are 13. So their sum will be equal to 13 square. Means 13 multiplied by 13. And 13 multiplied by 13 is equal to 169. When we will add these number, they are consecutive. Start from 1 odd number. So their sum will be equal to 169. When you will try to add them, you will get the same.